So you have first stage, second stage, third stage, and the fourth stage. This we call it as a nose cone, where the actual payload will be inside. So most of the application-based payloads that you see today, it might be Earth observation or it might be anything for that matter. Last time we had SpaceX, right? At the docking experiment that happened last time. So most of the payloads are in this stage. So there are two liquid propulsion stages and then the cryogenic stage. So this part will go to the last orbit and then that is pushed to the orbit. And then there will be nose cone separation before that. The nose cone, so this will be like a half thing, so this will open up. And then the payload will be exposed and the last push is given, that will go to the orbit, intended orbit, 300 or 500 kilometers. Then that goes around it. So
what are these?
These are extra.
These are called solid rocket boosters.
Yeah.
So basically they help you lift off the ground, and once they reach a certain altitude, they're all.
What's a fuel which?
Extra ones.
No, what's a fuel which?
Fuel, they use solid rocket boosters, so solid propellant basically.
There are three: solid, liquid, and cryogenic. So
these
are
solid.
solid.
They're all solid.
But
So
this
they-
doesn't get carried over with the...
No. Essentially, firecrackers are all solid propellants.
Yes.
Pataki and whatever we burst, they're all solid propellants. So they are the ones which they'll burn slowly, take up to the.
What is it? Ammonium and sugar. The potassium.
Potassium
What
nitrate.
is
Potassium
that? Is the
Yes,
what is
this is the satellite. This is what will be
Inside
in
this.
a stored condition inside this.
So all these solar panels will be folded up basically.
Yeah.
So once they are rejected into the orbit, they separate.
So you can see here is 1:5 scale. So if
Oh,
you make
this
5
is
times of this as the size of the payload itself,
Right.
in its length, width, and height. In
They
all
are
three
made of what metals, sir? Actually, what do they include? Everything
Yeah,
aluminum.
like this. Okay, now
What's the weight of this approximate weight?
400 kgs maybe, 200 to 400 kgs.
Most of it will be power systems.
Yeah. So there will be batteries, there will be many subsystems basically. There will be TDC systems, there will be power systems, there will be of course solar panels. There will be multiple things. There will be multiple application payloads in this. Not only one application, there will be multiple things around it. So whatever you are seeing here, orange, maybe orange, green and all, they are intended for particular usage. So like that. So yeah. So this is what will be there essentially in this last stage. So that goes in it. This is
This is the biggest solid
the
rocket.
famous one.
Okay.
So this is basically a bigger version of that.
Oh, okay.
PSLVs are basically for LEOs and NEOs missions.
That's
It's
LV.
1:20 kind of thing.
Okay.
So it's 20 times bigger than what is the scale.
So this is even bigger than that. This is also 21:20.
This is LVM, right?
Yeah, LVM,
Mark 3. So launch vehicle Mark 3. Our Chandrayaan